Hello and welcome. This video demonstrates how to create a digital binder in Love 111 Vol. First, go to Binders. Click the plus icon to create a new binder. In Properties, enter the binder name. Choose users who can edit the binder or set them to view only. Click Save. The binder is now created. Click on the binder to open it. Click the plus sign to add a document. Enter the name of the document. Click the plus sign under Attachment. Drag and drop a PDF file into the binder. Click Save. Save the document. You have successfully added a PDF document to your binder, and your team can now see the binder content. Now, let's add an image. Click the plus sign to add a document. Enter the name of the image. Click the plus sign under Attachment. Upload the image you want to add. Save the attachment. Click Save. That's how you create and share a digital binder in Love 111 Vol.